Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here and today we will discuss about the divisions of Indian Peninsular Plateau. Indian Peninsular Plateau have been divided into two sections, mainly Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. In the previous lesson, we discussed about the formation of Peninsular Plateau and some of its features. Today we will discuss about its divisions. So the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau have been divided by demarcation of Narmada River. The part lying north to the Narmada River is Central Highlands, whereas the part south of Narmada River is Deccan Plateau. So as I just mentioned, the part lying to the north of Narmada River is Central Highlands. Major part of Malwa Plateau makes up the Central Highlands. Most of the land in Central Highlands is comprised of Malwa Plateau. It is covered by Vindhya Ranges at north, Satpura Ranges at the south, and Aravalli Ranges at the northwest. These are basically the borders of Central Highlands. Rivers such as Chambal, Ken, Betwa, and Sindh flow from its southwest to southeast. One important feature is Central Highlands are wider in the west but narrower in the east and have been named as Bundelkhand Plateau and Bhagelkhand Plateau. And its further eastward extension is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now let's try to understand these points through a map. You will have a better clarity when we understand these points through map. So here lies the Narmada River. The part to the north of Narmada River is Central Highlands. So basically this part is Central Highlands. It comprises of Malwa Plateau, as you can see here, and its further eastward extension is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Correct? It is bordered by Aravalli Ranges, the Vindhya Ranges, and the Satpura Ranges. And it is drained by rivers such as Chambal, Ken, Betwa, Sindh. Now these flow from southwest towards southeast. Now this is because our Indian Peninsular Plateau is a bit tilted towards the east. It's slopey towards the east. So most of the rivers flow towards east side and drain into Bay of Bengal, except two rivers, Narmada, Tapi. Now these are the rivers that flow through rift valleys. Narmada, Tapi, they flow through rift valleys and hence they drain into Arabian Sea. These rivers are called west flowing rivers as they drain into the Arabian Sea, and these rivers are called east flowing rivers as they drain into the Bay of Bengal. So Malwa Plateau comprises most of the part of Central Highlands. Its further extension is this Chota Nagpur Plateau. As we move from west to east, the width of Central Highlands decreases. The width of Central Highlands decreases as we move from Malwa Plateau towards Chota Nagpur Plateau. And Bundelkhand and Bhagelkhand Plateau are a part of the Central Highlands as well. So that covers all of the points of Central Highlands. Correct? Now next comes the Deccan Plateau. The portion of Indian Peninsular Plateau below Narmada River or to the south of Narmada River is Deccan Plateau. Now borders of Deccan Plateau are Satpura Ranges, Mahadev, Kaimur Hills, Maikal Ranges in the eastern side and Satpura Ranges to the northern side. Now, as I just mentioned, it is tilted towards the east. The Indian Peninsular Plateau is tilted towards the east. It gently slopes eastwards and thus the rivers drain into Bay of Bengal. An extension of this plateau is found in the northeast, that is Meghalayan Plateau. Most of the part of the Seven Sisters falls under mountain area, but Meghalaya is a plateau area. And western and eastern Ghats mark the western and eastern boundaries of the Deccan Plateau. Now, let's try to understand these points through map. This area is basically Deccan Plateau as it is below Narmada River. So, Satpura Ranges are located at the north of Deccan Plateau and the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats mark its western and eastern boundaries. Now its eastward extension is found here in Meghalaya called Meghalayan Plateau. Now one question arises is this part is Deccan Plateau, this part is Central Highlands. What about this part? How come this part is left out of the plateau region? Now that is because almost all of the rivers drain into Bay of Bengal through this course. The sediments deposited here have made this land a plain land. Thus, this region is plain area, whereas the regions demarcated here and here are plateau region. Now, Deccan Plateau are bordered by Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Now, since we know that the Deccan Plateau is tilted towards the east, so obviously the heights of Western Ghats would be higher than Eastern Ghats. Now, this is an important topic and a question might arise that differentiate between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Now, Western Ghats are higher than Eastern Ghats. And these are continuous ranges. Western Ghats are continuous ranges and can be crossed only through passes. Passes are basically gateway within mountains to cross them. And Eastern Ghats are discontinuous as they are dissected by rivers. Since most of the rivers fall into the Bay of Bengal, drain into the Bay of Bengal, that have made Eastern Ghats irregular or discontinuous. They stretch from Tapi River to the south of Nilgiri Hills. Eastern Ghats stretch from Mahanadi River, Mahanadi Valley to the Nilgiri Hills. Now, Nilgiri Hills are the point where the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet. Nilgiri Hills are the point where the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats meet. Now, Western Ghats causes orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall occurs when winds full of moisture, when they collide with a landmass and cause rainfall. That type of rainfall is called orographic rainfall. The highest peak in Western Ghats is Anaimudi in Kerala. and highest peak in Eastern Ghats is Mahendragiri. The height of Western Ghats increases from north to south. That means the ranges towards the south are much higher than the ranges in the north. Now, this concludes the chapter, and further we will discuss about the Thar Desert, the coastal plains, and islands of India. So, till then, everyone, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day.